CK3 resinoid abrasives. We suggest spring holder system as an essential accessory for polishing. Thanks to their clever design, its supports allow to obtain an uniform polishing. The diamond abrasives are pushed through supports equipped with springs even in the slight depressions and waves in the ground, so that all the surface is perfectly smooth and polished. We suggest to work with CK3 wet system, as this unique wet passage will ensure the elimination of any sign of scratch if left by the previous passages, and it will prepare the floor to the final phases of consolidation, staining and polishing. Vacuum the mud and let it dry. Go on with CK4 resinoid abrasives. Work with a dry system. We suggest to operate slowly with a machine and make 2 cross passages. Go on with CK5 resinoid abrasives. For the finishing of the edges and the perimeter, you will use Extrema machine. Extrema is an innovative perimetric dual-head rotating grinding machine, which allows to grind and polish close to the wall, effortlessly and upright. After the passage with CK5 abrasive, wash the floor with some clean water and let it dry. When the floor is